I will show you 3 methods to unlock the MAX G2 scooter here right now in 2026. To unlock the maximum speed 45, 35, 32 km per hour right now in 2026. So actually there are many methods available. The first one and the most reliable that will work anytime in 2027, 28 and any year is controller replacement. So the controller is located here inside, so you need to dismantle your scooter, buy the controller. You will find the link in the description below in AliExpress where to get this controller. You replace it, you got 35 or 45 km per hour, depends on controller. This works everything, of course, in a sport mode. Also, you can unlock cruise control, many other options, because this controller will have built-in version and serial number from the United States, so where there are no limitations. The second method is the scooter hacking utility. I will show you right now the app. So actually, scooter hacking utility app, it supports the Ninebot MAX G2 scooters. And basically using this app you can also change the region. You see there are many available: United States 35, 32, Europe 25, 25. So I have right now 20. With German idea I can unlock it, change the region. Although method number 3, it's a custom firmware. Actually, you can install the scooter hacking utility firmware and adjust your scooter up to your preferences. And in this case, you can go even up to 45 km per hour on this scooter. Another app is Xiaomi app. Also, Xiaomi app actually is found in the scooter as well. So you can connect to the scooter very easily. And actually, let's click. Need to connect it first to the app. So let me connect to the app. Okay, as you see, you need to double click. Also, it supports the custom firmware from Xiaomi. Also, you can install it. There are many options available. As you see here, currently it will activate with the Xiaomi. So you see how many options available on Xiaomi app. Actually, advanced options, the maximum speed can be set it up with no limits here. And actually, this is one of the, as you see, you need to purchase it, of course, but it's one-time purchase. So you buy it, there are always discounts, and then you can also customize all settings on your scooter. Also, you have the basic information here, like a temperature, total mileage, and other settings. Although what you can do even now is to click unlock higher speed in sport mode. So when it's set it up, your scooter can go up to 30 km per hour just here and now. We can check it out very easily. Also, start speed cannot be selected here, only on global regions, but this is also one of the methods to unlock. Another method including ST-Link, so you need to dismantle your scooter, buy special device. It's much more complicated, so I will not talk about it. The most easy way is controller replacement, so you just order controller here, replace it. You will find the guidance in description below, and it will work pretty well. Alright, if you still have some question about unlocking your Ninebot MAX G2 in 2026 or any few further year, leave a comments below. If you can have additional methods or you unlock it using other methods, also leave it in the description. I will check it out and feedback for you, maybe make some video. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, put a thumbs up, see you next time.